All right, take a look at this 2022 Forest River Island Vibe. Just over 35 feet camper, weighs just over 6,000 pounds dry. This one is pre-owned and it has all kinds of awesome upgrades and things you don't have to spend money on. Let's check some stuff out. So up front, you've got your nice storage full through, and you get a free Equalizer Hitch, a free power cord for your 220 power, your garden hose in there. You can see this slide out, which is power, really nice. You've got wheel chocks, again, just things you don't need to spend money on. Outdoor shower, freshwater connection, city water connection. I love this. Black tank flush to clean out your tanks if you want. Cable and satellite, and look here. That is where you actually plug into, so no big long cord anymore to have to roll up and whatnot. You got your sewer outlet connection, your gray water holding tank there, your jack's all ready to go, spare tire off the back as well. We're gonna go around the other side here, and I'll stop right by the hitch to mention a few things. First of all, 2 batteries, again, something you don't have to buy. This is solar ready as well. A couple propane tanks underneath there, power jack. You also get a free lockable hitch. Again, those are like $100. Nice that it doesn't cost you any money. 642 pounds is the dry weight, and the length is 35 feet 3 inches. You got nice LED stripping here, and this is hardwall. So this is your upgraded materials on the outside, and everything is done really well on this. Nice pass through here. Love that they've got a little light in here, which is great. The door is the upgraded door, so it actually has the soft feature so it doesn't slam. Upgraded aluminum solid steps, which also just fold up and lock in place, which is nice. Aluminum alloy wheels that look great. And then the cook's kitchen in the back. You've got a fridge and a slide out grill, great for doing breakfast and everything on, plus just a little bit more storage space, which is awesome. Power awning with the LED light underneath it, and this has a nice upgraded stereo system, so if you want to Bluetooth to it, you can listen to your tunes. Inside, look at the finishings that have been done on this, just like a high-end home. It looks awesome. The flooring is beautiful. I love these countertops on the kitchen. Look at this too. You can put your garbage underneath there, just to be able to throw the garbage there. This is a great use of this space. Also a really nice sink with the sprayer, and you open this up and you just have all sorts of room to be able to do those dishes. This pops up to give you a little more room to work with. Lots of cupboard space, upgraded appliances, as well as the oven and the stove. Microwave, glass finish on these cupboards that look great. The fridge and freezer are nice. And then you do have this TV, which also swivels around so you can watch it from the bedroom. Nice cubby to throw things. And highlighted this electric fireplace that not only looks great but still puts off some heat. You've got awesome space to be sitting and hanging out, which also can fold into another bed, and some storage underneath here, which is awesome. Beautiful little dining nook, again, can be turned into more sleeping space with more storage underneath. This unit can sleep up to 10 people. In the bathroom, take a look at the finishings that have been done in there. This looks great. And then we have our bunkhouse. So this door can close. You got a place to store kids' clothes. And then you have triple bunks, 1, 2, 3, and you could do a 4th down there if you wanted, or just a great place for them to hang out. If they do want to mount a TV or something, you've got the area here so that they can hang out and watch from the bedding. And USBs everywhere, 2 USBs, 4 USBs, 6 USBs, just USBs all over the place. Also want to point out the skylight up here, which gives you lots of natural light, which is really nice. And this does have the air conditioning, so when you get those extra hot days, you are ready to go. Inside the bedroom up front, you do have the regular mattress, which also has a memory foam mattress on it. You've got mirrors beside both sides. We've got power outlets over here, and then if we come over to the other side, you'll see we actually hit 2 USBs here too, so if you want to charge your devices, that's nice and easy. I love the look of these doors, and when we close them, you'll see there we've got the TV that we can swivel around if we want to watch a movie late at night. This is a gorgeous unit, all kinds of space, well appointed, and basically brand new. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Do me a huge favor, click subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.